to change permissions of a file. Let's start by creating a file, a test file with default permissions, ls-l, to check if the file was created and with which permissions. So here it is, the test file, and here we can see the permissions. So first character is the type. In this case, this is a regular file, and this dash means that. After that character, we have three characters that are representative of the permissions for the user, for the owner of the file. In this case, it's root. So we have read write permissions and not execute permissions. Next three characters are for group permissions. In this case, the group is will. We only have in this case R, and that is a read permissions, and also read permissions for all other users. Let's change this. We want to add execute permission here to the root user. So we want to add an X here. How do we do that? With the command chmod, and then user plus X test file. So we want to modify this file and add execute permissions to the user, to the owner of the file. Okay, let's check if it was okay. Yes, and here it is. The first three characters are now R, W, and X for read, write, and execution. We have all the permissions in these files for user root. Now I want to add write permissions to group. How do we do that? Chmod again, group plus and write for test file. Okay, let's check. And now we have also write permissions to the group will. I don't want other users to have these read permissions. I want to remove this permission to other users. Again, chmod others minus or dash read permissions for test file. Let's see. Okay, now the last three characters are empty. Other users have no permissions on this test file. And the owner has read, write, and execute permissions. Owner in this case is root. And the group has read and write permissions. The group will.